schedules to join us here this evening. We're delighted once again to welcome you for this announcement where we are launching the 63rd Annual Filmfare Awards. Just some facts, we are hosting the awards live on the 20th of January this year from the NSCI Dome Stadium. As usual, the intent is the same, which is to honor the best that Indian cinema has shown us over the last year. And we are fairly confident that there's abundance of talent, and we'll be able to showcase and reward the people who've done their bit to making Indian cinema reach new heights. Just a few facts that I wanted to tell you is that, over the last few years, I don't know if you all have noticed, but we've tried to make sure that we do our best to try and grow this Filmfare Awards franchise. So right from moving to a new venue, looking at actually involving a live audience to be a part of the atmosphere of the awards. We've also grown the franchise in terms of it just not being a Hindi awards anymore. We used to always do Hindi, we used to always do South awards. But we today do a Filmfare Punjabi, we do a Filmfare Marathi, we do a Filmfare Bengali. We've also last year announced, year before last, Shah Rukh had announced that we'll be doing something called the Short Film Awards, which is films under 15 minutes or less. Last year was the first time we debuted that. 20 minutes? Sorry. And we got about 1,400 entries. This year, I think Jitesh already is telling me we've got over 2,500 odd entries. So I don't envy the jury for having to go through all of those lists. But I think it's a very, very important feature as we try and differentiate ourselves from the other award shows that are out there. Our partnership with Jio has actually truly helped us in greatly enhancing the reach of this unique award ceremony. I'll give you some numbers. 2 years ago, we were at about a 300 million duplicated reach. I'm very, very proud to tell you that the concerted efforts of the team and what we've done on television as well as what we've done on digital, led largely by Jio's platforms, we've last year managed to hit a duplicated reach of 690. If you are anybody who's connected to either the television or a mobile device, you would have interacted with the awards in some way or the other, and it gives us this is a moment of great pride and joy for us. And last but not least, whilst we always try and put on, or try our best to put on a great entertaining evening for you all, I think Filmfare and Shah Rukh have come to be almost synonymous with each other. I was just looking at some stats. I think over 50 Filmfare.
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I'd like to thank Jio for their constant support and being such wonderful sponsors. And we've done it over 3 or 4 years now. And what gives me special pleasure is the fact that we've done these shows in the Filmfare Marathi and the Filmfare Bengali has especially been amazing experience. So thank you, Jio. And thanks to Jio Cinema, our TV show, famously Filmfare, had a fantastic reach. So thank you again. For me, this is really special. I know it may seem because he's here, but it's really, really special because I can say it now. I think it's 25 years of knowing Shah Rukh Khan, and it's 25 years of Shah Rukh Khan at Filmfare. So he's, I think from his first performance when Bazigar, I was a college student, I wasn't a journalist then, but I was kindly invited to the Filmfare function where he performed Kali Kali Aankhein with Kajol. That was 92, I think. And then, of course, as a rookie reporter, he's seen me through the BEST auto rickshaw. Every time we'd get late into because an interview with Shah Rukh Khan meant you had to wait 8 hours. So so he would constantly drop me to stuff, and he was and he was kind and nice to me when it was not important to be kind and nice. So as a reporter, that really stayed with me, and it's been just fantastic. My most memorable moment with Shah Rukh Khan is the 2007 awards, if I'm not mistaken, when Saif was unwell, and we dropped the bombshell on Shah Rukh one day before the show, ki buddy, you'll have to do this on your own. So Shah Rukh being Shah Rukh took it in his stride, and I think for me that year was amazingly memorable, where Shah Rukh paid tribute to films like Munna Bhai MBBS, Rang De Basanti, Dawn, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, and Krish, and all of that. So it's just been fantastic. So it wouldn't be wrong to say Shah Rukh is truly part of the Filmfare family. Shah Rukh is family. So thank you very much for hosting Filmfare for the 20th time. And I feel especially privileged because I've been part of this beautiful journey, and I watched him win awards for my personal favorite films like Swades, Chak De, My Name is Khan. So it's been really, really wonderful as an editor for me to see Shah Rukh go from strength to strength. And finally, I know he does the TED Talks and all that, but I think the secret of his success is a huge inspiration to journalists like us. The key is reinvention. The key is to stay afloat, is to dream high, dream big. And the way he's beautifully reinvented himself, his persona as an actor, as an entrepreneur, is really amazing. So thank you very much. And thank you for being a very patient audience listening to me. Thank you so much.
Speak a few words.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you very much, Jitesh and Deepak and the whole Filmfare family for again having me on board for the Filmfare function and otherwise too. दो तीन चीज़ें हैं जो मैं फिल्मफेयर के बारे में बताऊंगा, शायद पहले भी बोल चुका हूँ, तो लेकिन फिर भी दोहराना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि जब हम बड़े हो रहे होते हैं, जैसा अभी जितेश ने बताया, मुझे 25 साल हो चुके हैं अब. But when I was growing up, when I was in Delhi, I remember watching bits and pieces. उस वक्त दूरदर्शन पे इतना सब नहीं दिखाया जाता था. थोड़ा सा कुछ फिल्मफेयर के बारे में आया. And I didn't know if I wanted to be an actor then or not. But there was this desire कि मैं कभी ना कभी ऐसे कोई मुकाम पर पहुंचूंगा, जगह पर पहुंचूंगा जहां पर मुझे भी लोग इतना प्यार देंगे. I wasn't too sure कि मैं एक्टिंग करूंगा या नहीं उस वक्त, मुझे याद है. But the feeling was enticing, was overwhelming when I saw it on television. And that time I think it was even black and white, not even in color. And bits and pieces used to come as if in the, like in the film division, newsreel kind of a thing. और उसके बाद पहली बार जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था, so I think the old Hotel Centaur में Filmfare Award हुआ करते थे, and I was new. I think my films had not released, and my friend Vivek Vaswani had somehow, उस वक्त भी पास मिलना बड़े मुश्किल होते थे फिल्मफेयर के, तो कहीं से इसने निकाल के 2 पासेस लेकर आया था कोई जगह से, और हम लोग बहुत पीछे खड़े हुए थे, बहुत ज़्यादा पीछे. सेंटोर में जो स्विमिंग पूल था उसको कवर किया जाता था और उसके ऊपर स्टेज लगता था, एंड हम पीछे बहुत एकदम आखिर के अंदर दिख भी नहीं रहे थे. एंड आई वाज रियली होपिंग वन डे मैं ऐसा कुछ करूं. और ये उस ज़माने की बात है जब बहुत सारे अवार्ड फंक्शन नहीं होते थे. अब डाइम अ डज़न है, सब बहुत अच्छे हैं, सब बिल्कुल एक जैसे ही लगते हैं, और मेरे लिए और भी आसान हो जाता है सिर्फ सूट बदलना पड़ता है. बट the idea was always कि मैं स्टेज पर आऊँ, इस मुकाम पर आऊँ, and I think Filmfare, Times of India Group, all the people that time, judges, juries, audience, and of course Jitesh and Deepak are much younger. As the years have gone by, my desire to be on Filmfare stage has not lessened. जिस ईयर मुझे लगता है अवार्ड मिल रहा है उस साल मैं परफॉर्म नहीं करता, होस्ट नहीं करता. जिस ईयर लगता है नहीं मिलने वाला मैं होस्ट कर देता हूँ, क्योंकि डिज़ायर मेरी यही है कि मैं स्टेज पर ज़रूर जाऊँ फिल्मफेयर के किसी ना किसी तरीके से. So I take a few days to negotiate with Deepak and everyone, and it's not for money, it's just to make myself feel important. मैं करने ही वाला होता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन एक दो बार कि हाँ देखेंगे, सोचेंगे, ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि स्टार भी हैं. Otherwise there's been no reason I should not be at Filmfare. जो जितेश ने मेंशन किया, मेरा एक आइडिया ये भी था, और ये सिर्फ मैं बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली पूरी टीम हुआ करती थी उस वक्त. The idea was that somehow can we change the face of presentation, bring in a little more entertainment, bring in a little more comic relief perhaps, and still maintain the seriousness, the dignity of receiving an award for a year's work to the best players in the industry in different fields, technical and otherwise, which we started. And I think a lot of award functions have followed suit, and they do it really wonderfully, I'm sure, at times. And every year when I do Filmfare, the desire is this, कि हम वो, जैसे, just to mention my own film, या दंगल, कि चक दे जैसी फिल्म बना लें, जो कॉमर्स भी attract कर ले television के ऊपर, और somehow retains the dignity of the award function also. So the endeavor is always that. This year too, 63rd Filmfare Awards. As Jitesh mentioned, I've been close to about 20, having hosted them, and I've really enjoyed myself in every act that I've performed. And I really look forward to doing it. This time we have a new partner in Jio, so there is obviously going to be a new foray into the digital world also. Television partner is also new. You have colors, but the essence of Filmfare, inshallah, will remain the same. जहाँ पे actors को, actresses को, technicians को, directors को, producers को, editors को, and all people who are responsible for a film. This is one of the award functions I really enjoy because it starts with technical awards, with all due respect given to the technicians to start off with. And I think that itself speaks volumes for the fact that everybody behind the scenes who makes about 200 films in Hindi, now they've gone into Punjabi also, and South also, and Bengali also, but who make films in Hindi, they all get a dignified stage to let the world know they were behind the scenes, and then they go back behind in the darkness and keep on making the beautiful films that we see. So I'm extremely thankful to Filmfare, to Times of India, to Deepak, for calling me 3 times, knowing fully well maybe inside he'll still do it, but karna to padega isko. Jitesh for always assuming that I'll put up a good show and I try my best. The whole team which is here behind the scenes, and I will join them later. And inshallah we'll try and put up a good show on 63rd Filmfare Award on the 20th of Jan 2018. And all the people who get the awards are deserving. I believe that. I have, like he said, 15 of them. I would genuinely like to say all the awards are given according to the caliber, according to the jury, according to if there is a public voting, done in the nicest, sanest, and the most dignified manner possible. I've been a host for so many years, I can vouch for the fact, even me, I don't get to see the envelope just before I enter. So small little bits and pieces that people talk about awards, maybe they've had incidents like that, but I can assure you on this stage, none of that happens. At least it didn't happen with me, ever. And I can say that with authority. I have won maximum of them, so I should know. So thank you very much, Filmfare, for having me once again on board. And we will try to put up a really nice show, and hopefully everybody will enjoy it when it comes on. And thank you for listening to me also with patience and taking pictures of me while I'm having tic-tac.
Thank you so much, Farooq. And now the floor is open to the media for a Q&A.
परफॉर्म करते हुए भी दिखेंगे कि किन किन चीज़ों में
हमने अभी 3 मीटिंग कर चुके हैं आलोक यार, क्रिएटिव मीटिंग्स. एक आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से इट, वो फॉर्चुनेट बात है या अनफॉर्चुनेट, बट एक पैटर्न जो है वो सेट पीस होना लाजमी है. अवार्ड होंगे, प्रेजेंटर्स आएंगे, लोगों को अवार्ड मिलेगा, वो थोड़ी बहुत बातचीत करने का उनको मौका मिलेगा. बिकॉज इट इज़ सो फिक्सेड लाइक दैट, वी ट्राई टू वर्क अराउंड इट कि वो चीज़ जो है कम ना पड़ जाए और बाकी चीज़ें एंटरटेन करती रहें. सो वीव हैड सम मीटिंग्स. इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, गणेश इज हैंडलिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ द कोरियोग्राफी. भरत and his team is writing it, and not only them, I think all of us sit together. तो अभी हमने cursory beginning कर ली है, 2 meetings हो चुकी हैं. We know where we are trying to go. A part of it might be maybe down the memory lanes, because कहीं पे ऐसा लगने लगा है कि मेरा बड़ा important 25 साल हो गए और मैं भी 20 साल से कर रहा हूँ. So you know, I had an idea, maybe Filmfare then and now, and try and make dignified fun of that. कि कैसी चीज़ें बदली हैं या नहीं बदली हैं, and you know, to have a little piece of opening like that. Maybe interact with other actors, actresses, and co-hosts, and try to make it as entertaining. More than that, yeah, to make it very snappy. मैं कोशिश ज़रूर करूँगा, वायदा नहीं करता हूँ. एक ज़माना था जब मैं इवन क्रिएटिव में भी पार्टिसिपेट कर लेता था. उस वक्त टाइम सबके पास ज़्यादा था. अब थोड़ा सबके पास टाइम कम होता है, तो इतना नहीं कर सकता. बट उम्मीद यही है कि 2.5 घंटे या 3 घंटे में ख़त्म कर लेंगे. मतलब लोग जो हैं अगले दिन में ना जाएं वहाँ पे आने के बाद, एक ही दिन में ख़त्म कर लेंगे.
खान साहब, वहाँ लाइव ऑडियंस भी होने वाली है, और बच्चन साहब कहते हैं कि जब भी वो इस तरीके से मंच पे जाते हैं तो उनको, मतलब वो क्या कहते हैं सर, कि पेट में कुलबुलाहट सी होती है. तो मंच पे जाने से पहले आपकी क्या स्थिति रहती है सर, ये जानना चाहेंगे.
अमित जी बहुत हम्बल है, और आई थिंक ग्रेट एक्टर की क्वालिटी ये होती है कि मैं अभी अपनी बेटी से बात कर रहा था कि जब भी सीन करते हैं, जब भी पब्लिक से मुखातिब होते हैं, जब भी किसी के सामने आते हैं, इवन राइट नाउ, इफ़ यू आर नॉट नर्वस, यू आर नॉट अ ग्रेट इनफ एक्टर. इफ़ यू थिंक यू नो इट ऑल, means you're not trying to discover anything new. I think Amitji, whenever he presents himself on whichever platform, he's assuming and hoping and trying to present something new. And for us who've seen the great Amitabh Bachchan for years, हम so अरे और क्या कर सकते हैं? But उनके दिल में ये लगाव रहता है. And I think his humility and his nervousness on stage is actually case in point that he's the greatest actor this country has ever produced.
Hi Shahrukh, Sana here from Indian Express. As you mentioned, going down the memory lane, it's been 25 years for you in this industry. Take us back to the memory when you were first nominated for an award show and the moment when you heard your name on stage. How was the feeling?
1965 की बात है, तलवार नर्सिंग होम में एक बच्चा जब पैदा हुआ था जैसी माँ के पेट से निकला था ये फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड मुझे दे दो, मुझे दे दो, मुझे दे दो. मुझे कहीं पे ऐसा ऑब्वियसली फीलिंग आ गई थी क्योंकि डेब्यू मेरा हुआ था, आई थिंक दीवाना के साथ हुआ था. एंड इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, I think a year before that or sometime I'd seen some other actor who had got it, and I'm not clear of the name so I'm not saying it, but a friend of mine, a colleague, और मेरे दिल में बहुत ऐसी चाह थी यार कि मैं वहाँ पहुँच जाऊँ. And I think it was a very emotional moment. Fan movie में भी हमने use किया है, where I've always said this, my biggest attempt to be an actor, even when I fail with the films that I fail, and I've failed as often or more than I've succeeded. बट मेरी कोशिश हमेशा ऐसी रहती है कि मैं फिल्म इतनी बड़ी बनाऊं, एंड नॉट जस्ट ऑन द कैनवस बट बाय फीलिंग इमोशंस. मैं ऐसी फिल्म बनाऊं कि मेरे माँ बाप जो हैं हेवन से वो पिक्चर को देख सकें, जन्नत से उसको देख सकें, इतनी बड़ी लगे वो. सो व्हेन आई गॉट द अवार्ड आई वांटेड टू थैंक माय मॉम एंड आई फेल्ट, आई डोंट नो, ये सब अपने बच्चों की बातें होती हैं, इमोशन की बातें होती हैं, बट आई डिड फील ट्रूली दैट नाइट दैट माय मदर एंड फादर सॉ मी गेट अ फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड. सो फॉर मी इट्स अ वेरी इमोशनल मोमेंट.
And what's the feeling when you lose an award to another actor?
फिर दूसरे की मम्मी डैडी देख रहे होंगे और क्या. उनके मम्मी डैडी खुश होंगे.
Thank you, Shahrukh.
Hello. Hi Shahrukh Khan, Assalamu alaikum.
There.
वालेकुम सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू.
I am actually from South Africa.
From?
From South Africa.
जी.
I wanted to know, do you ever think that the film fair will be brought to an international platform such as South Africa so your fans there will be able to see Bollywood live?
I think, yes, we've had a lot of discussions over years, with Deepak too actually, that should one try and, take Film Fair Awards overseas to South Africa and other places, because honestly, I think there's a huge amount of audiences waiting all over the world, which is very kind to Hindi films and Bollywood films and Indian films, not only just Hindi films. So yeah, if it is a possibility, but I guess Deepak will be able to tell you better कि वहाँ हो सकता है या नहीं, but I'm sure they have thought of it.
Yeah. So short answers, yes, we'd love to go international. To put together an award show of such magnitude, there's a lot that goes behind the scenes. So sometimes, people like Shahrukh, etc., are extremely busy on time. It's not, our attempt here is to make sure that the entire film fraternity and family gets together, and as many of them as they can. Sometimes that becomes a challenge when they're international location. The Times of India group already does an international property called Toifa, which you're aware. But having said that, we have been thinking about and are experimenting with a format which may not be an award ceremony, but it may be something like a Filmfare Night of Champions, which is where we take the best of Filmfare, the guys who've really had a great year or a great couple of years, and get them to come and perform to lovers of Indian cinema who are not necessarily based in India. So that is something that we are definitely looking at. The commercials play a huge role in this. So if you know any great companies in South Africa who can write us a good check, we can connect after this awards. Thanks.
But we have a cricket team coming there. Maybe we'll sponsor them when we come there.
Shahrukh, I must ask you about your association, your continuous association with Jio.
It's again a very personal association. I don't work for Jio. I work with Jio. As a matter of fact, a lot like Filmfare. I think when Jio was started, I was very keen to participate in it because the company was started by youngsters, Akash and Isha. And right from its inception, I've been working with them and hoping that because of, I believe youth can bring in a lot of innovations. This technology on the internet and broadband and 4G and 5G spectrum, all this technology is the future. And I think youngsters should be at the helm of it. Not only as far as putting it together is concerned, even using is concerned. I think Jio also gives Filmfare and other shows. I think the one that you also host. A lot of things, a platform, like in South Africa. You know, when you're running this on Indian television, on colors, maybe by the time you get to see it, it might be later. But with Jio, I think simultaneously, you can see it all over the world. Inshallah, we'll have a time when we can do all this even live, and I'm sure more than television, a digital partner like Jio will come more handy, and infrastructure-wise will be a sooner possibility than perhaps on television. So I think Jio joining up with Filmfare now is extremely good, and perhaps you should, as technocrats and technicians, get together, some of you, and try to figure out what newness can you bring to Filmfare Awards itself because of the platform of Jio. I think there's a lot of innovative things that we can do.
Shahrukh, Shahrukh, you have won so many awards in your long career, 25 years career. Do awards hold the same importance to you today as they used to perhaps 10, 15 years back?
Sorry, I didn't get your name here.
Sandesh.
Sandesh. Yeah, Sandesh. I've always liked awards. It's not to personally convince myself that I've done a good body of work this year. It's not also to profess to the world and, you know, get it like a medal that, oh, see, I got this award, so I've done good work. I don't know, I just love awards. It's a strange thing. You know, I was an athlete when I was young. I used to run the 100-meter race. I used to play soccer, hockey, and all these sports when I participated in it. Running was the most important thing. Playing was the most important thing. Giving your life up for that was most important, and the practice and the training. But some way, when you picked up the trophy, it had a special feeling. It in no which way accentuated the fact that, oh, I deserve it, I got it, and I never had to claim that world, see, I'm so good. No. It is just a strange, I think that sensibility has continued. I go for, in Dhirubhai Ambani, I go for parents' races. And it's not, it's an open secret. I train for it. I want to win that race also. Of course, now it's getting more difficult because with my youngest son, the parents are 25 and I'm 50. But I will still go and kick their butt. So I want to go and get that medal. I love standing on that podium. I love the feeling of, you know, when our country is playing and the national anthem playing. And even today, when in films that happens, you know, you feel so happy. Of course, those are national champions, and we can't compare ourselves to them. But in the smallest way possible. I play Ludo on the sets of Anand Rai's film. And at the end of it all, you know, whoever wins gets a little crown with the gold on it on the iPad nowadays. I love it so much. वो जो ऐसा अगर मुझको मिल जाता है तो यार. I really like awards. And yeah, it's been, I think, yeah, I perhaps have not been creative enough, or perhaps I over-stress my own talent in my own head. But it's been a long time since I've deservingly won a Best Actor award. So yeah, I won't lie and say they don't matter and, you know, it's really nice and it feels very good. No, I love it. I love getting awards.
Also, this year, would you be hosting it completely on your own, or do you have a co-host along with you?
No, like I said, we have involvement of other actors, actresses, co-host maybe. I don't think it's, I think the part of it has still not been officially confirmed, so maybe I should not take the names just in case somebody leaves the show and it becomes a controversy. But yeah, we will try to, like I said, you know, it's always important to get someone to do a bits and pieces of the hosting with you, just to add a little more entertainment. Akela मैं ही बोलता रहूँ तो नहीं जमता है. So I do bits and pieces solo. Some of them I want to involve other people. So we have 2-3 ideas. So yeah, there will be some people involved with me in hosting, co-hosting or being part of that thing.
Shahrukh, Renuka here from Bombay Times.
Renuka?
Yes, from Bombay Times.
Hi, Renuka.
Hi, Shahrukh. You're always a pleasure to watch on stage as a host. Actor, obviously, but host, you're fabulous. And you kind of got rose to India before it became fashionable in India. Right from your Filmfare stage, you know, the way you roasted the actors. You and Saif Ali Khan, I think it was superb. And how much of that would we be seeing this year? And as an actor, do you find it a little challenging to kind of do that on stage, since all of the actors are your friends?
Renuka, to be honest, I never thought. I come from theatre background. I've worked on stage for 7, 8 years, and I have a sense of humor at a personal level and a professional level. I like things to be happy. I like, even if you don't have them, try to show your dimples all the time. It's nice, people are smiling and enjoying themselves. It's a long evening. It's a stressful evening for the participants. Who's going to get the award, not going to get the award, who's going to win. There are going to be brickbats, there'll be bouquets, agreements, disagreements for the organizers. So it's nice to just keep it light. So I would. Then I realized over the years that maybe, I think it was very well explained to me by my wife, that when you started off and you did all this, you were kind of junior in terms of your status in the film industry. Just 4 or 5 years old, it looked sweet and nice that you were doing it. But as 10 years went by, now as a senior person, as a senior member of the faculty, when you say this, it can perhaps hurt sentiments. Earlier when I started off, if I joked about a young guy or a senior actor, they took it with, he's sweet. But maybe in 10, 15 years, it becomes important that a faculty member for 15 years does not in any which way seem derisive of us. It makes it sensitive. So I think because of that, a part of the sense of humor, I have to curtail. Normally, when I'm going to do something which I feel is extremely funny, but could be hurtful, then I do call the people in question and ask them, request them, tell them. Sometimes I may crack a joke like this, is it all right? Because I do understand that from the outside, I may not understand my status as a senior actor for 25 years, but for a lot of youngsters and people in the film industry, while they're sitting and watching that show, they've grown up, seeing me in films, and perhaps it comes as a little bit of a hurt. Ki, "Arey yaar, Shah Rukh ne hamara mazak uda diya." So I try to curtail it now, and I think earlier years it was easier. It is a little more difficult now. So yeah, I'll still joke and try and be funny and sweet, but try and take away. Also, I've noticed that trend started being pushed too much. When we did Filmfare like that, it was a very cozy gathering, 500, 700 people. It's become bigger, like now we have public sales of tickets. Then I see in functions, people become too personal. And I think I have also become gentler with age, and I realize, like, if I have a film which hasn't done well, it's not really funny if somebody's making fun of it. So I realize that, and I think I should at least curtail it, and I do try to.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi Shahrukh, Anam here from Mayapuri. My question is, जब आप audience है the film fair में, तभी आप सबसे ज़्यादा किसके performance के लिए excited थे या बेसब्र थे?
Sorry, आपका नाम मुझे नहीं.
अनम.
अनम हाँ. Actually ना शुरुआत में इतनी performances नहीं होती थी उस दिनों में. I think performances, if I may say so, performance का सिलसिला भी हम लोगों के साथ ज़्यादा शुरू हुआ. 90s में हमने ज़्यादा, like he said 92 में he saw the बाजीगर काली काली आँखें. I think it wasn't so performance laden. I think it wasn't so television friendly or diverted towards television. So I sincerely, मैंने एक ही देखा, फिर मैं जीतना शुरू हो गया. तो फिर हाँ, मैं वो एक पहले साल में नहीं मिला था, फिर मैं मुझे मिलना शुरू हो गया. So all performances, when actors come and perform, and sometimes you have an image of an actor कि film में अलग होता है और live बहुत अलग होता है. But having said that, some of the ladies I really enjoy. Madhuri Dixit, whenever she performs on stage, is wonderful. Lots of them, lots and lots of them. Even when Hrithik Roshan performs, because he's such a wonderful dancer. Shahid, because they all work hard. I think I enjoy the performances of actors, actresses, and Mr. A.R. Rahman. He did a long piece for us one time. When they actors who work hard towards their live performance, when they perform, I really appreciate it and like it. And I can tell इसमें बहुत मेहनत गई.
खान साहब, इस साल की आपकी पसंदीदा फिल्में कौन सी हैं 2017 की, जो आपको देखने का मौका मिल पाया हो?
मैंने यार ज़्यादा नहीं देख पाया. मैंने लिपस्टिक अंडर योर बुर्का देखी, just to sound intellectual. अपनी आनंद सर की जो फिल्म थी जिसका लंबा नाम है शुभ मंगल सावधान, वो देखी. दंगल इज लास्ट ईयर, राइट? वो मैंने इस साल देखी. एक था टाइगर देखी अभी. सॉरी हाँ, टाइगर जिंदा है. सॉरी टाइगर जिंदा है. और एक और कौन सी There's one other film I saw. The one I'm also naming are the ones I've really enjoyed. ये भी देखी और ये अच्छी भी लगी. Which one? हाँ, बरेली की बर्फी was very sweet. और कोई? Any other? हाँ, न्यूटन को अवार्ड मिल रहा है ये कह रहे हैं. तो न्यूटन बोला इसने आप देख.
शाहरुख,
काम भी करता हूँ मैं, पिक्चर में देखता रहूँ, काम करूँ.
Shahrukh, are you also doing the Rakesh Sharma biopic which Amir was supposed to do?
यार अभी मैंने ना कोई फिल्म साइन नहीं की यार. मैं लास्ट टाइम भी जब आप लोगों से सेशन मिला, तुम थे या नहीं वहाँ पे, मैंने अभी कोई फिल्म साइन नहीं की यार. आई रियली वांट टू लिव विद दिस ड्रॉप फिल्म. आनंद राय की जो पिक्चर है थोड़ी यार टीडीएस है, लाइक आई हैव सेड. आई थिंक इन अ कपल ऑफ मंथ्स आई विल टेक अ कॉल ऑन व्हाट फिल्म्स आई एम डूइंग. आई हैव बीन मीटिंग सिद्धार्थ एंड रॉनी. आई हैव मेट लॉट ऑफ अदर डायरेक्टर्स आल्सो बिकॉज आई हैव टू, एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स. बट अभी मैंने कोई फिल्म कंफर्म नहीं की यार. बिकॉज आई रियली वॉन्ट टू, जैसे ही मैं कंफर्म करता हूँ फिर मेरे दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ क्या यार अभी कुछ करना है इसका. मिल आता हूँ जाके मैं एक बार राइटिंग पे बैठ जाता हूँ. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू बी फ्री ऑफ एवरीथिंग एटलीस्ट टिल फेब, एंड बाय देन होपफुली आनंद सर की फिल्म थोड़ी एक्सटेंड हो गई अभी, लेकिन तब तक ख़त्म हो जाएगी मोर और लेस. देन आई थिंक ऑफ अ फिल्म.
Shahrukh, just one final question. Who's your favorite host? When you watch a television show and award function, who's your favorite host?
Renuka, honestly, nobody better than me. No, I'm being honest, really. I really host very well. And I'm not being pompous. अब अगर honesty का कुछ इनाम है तो Filmfare Award एक कर दो ना यार. Honesty का. I really think I'm very good. मैं बहुत अच्छी hosting करता हूँ. मैं impromptu हूँ. मैं कैसे बेच रहा हूँ अपने आप. मैं impromptu हूँ. मेरे को teleprompter नहीं पढ़ना पड़ता है. लास्ट मिनट पे प्रेजेंटर्स चेंज होते हैं, मैं कुछ ना कुछ उसका कर लेता हूँ. पूरा का पूरा आइटम चेंज हो जाए, सलमान भाई बोलते हैं मैं अभी नहीं आऊँगा, 1 घंटे बाद मेरा परफॉर्मेंस है, मैं घुमा लेता हूँ. हैंडसम हूँ, डांस भी कर लेता हूँ, इंग्लिश भी बोल लेता हूँ, हिंदी भी बोल लेता हूँ. नहीं यार, दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं है मेरे जैसा. नो सीरियस, मैं मजाक, प्लीज़ डोंट टेक यार तुम लोग. आई एम नॉट डिमीनिंग एनीवन. आई थिंक जो सब करते हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं और दे शुड डू इट. मैं एक ही करता हूँ अमूमन फिल्म फेयर का, लेकिन मैं रियली बहुत अच्छा, मैं सीरियसली यार.
Can I let them in on a trade secret? I have to tell you this. He learns up his entire lines. I mean, that's the first for me as a host. And so, which is why you can't change the teleprompter. We can't change too many things around because he's learnt up his lines from back to front. Completely learnt up his lines. So, whether the teleprompter is there, it goes off. There is absolutely no worry because he knows his line. So maximum we'll change a section of the awards, but otherwise there's absolutely no stress from his part. Ki, oh no, we have not the teleprompter and the teleprompter has gone off a couple of times in the past. And he looks around and then he goes, he continues with his this thing. Sorry for giving in your secrets.
Sir, this is Mridmay from Maharashtra Times. Most of us are here. Most of us are today pleasantly surprised since you were on time. So, what's the secret for this lovely change?
You know, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मैं बदल जाऊँ. मैं जल्दी भी सोने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. मैंने धूम्रपान कम कर दिया है. और मैं जेन्युइनली मैंने आज मेरी ये तीसरी जगह है जहाँ पर मैं वक्त पे पहुँचा हूँ. मैं सुबह मेरा एक शूट था छोटा सा, एक फ़ोटो का आनंद राय साहब की फ़िल्म के लिए. तो मैं 12 बजे पहुंच गया और मैंने 12:45 तक काम भी शुरू कर दिया. आनंद सर 1:30 बजे आए. अरे आप पहुंच गए सर. मुझे मेरी बेटी को किसी एक कोर्स के लिए लेके जाना था 2 बजे. मैं 1:45 वहाँ पर पहुंच गया. एक और मीटिंग पे मुझे कल जाना था, मैं 3 बजे पहुंच गया. यहाँ मुझे 5 बजे पहुंचना. 2 बार जितेश ने मुझे कहा टेक योर टाइम. एंड लेट मी से दिस टू यू पीपल, जब भी मैं लेट हुआ हूँ, जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं, बिकॉज मैं ना फेस करता हूँ इन चीज़ों को, तो लोग समझते हैं कि मैं लेट आता हूँ. वो बोलते हैं अभी रुक जाओ ना, अभी ना दीपक रेडी नहीं है, दीपक रेडी नहीं है. बोला उसने तो. मैं बोल, मैं झूठ नहीं बोला, आप पूछ लो. मैं ऑनेस्ट भी हो गया हूँ अब. जैसे मैं सच बता रहा हूँ. मैंने अपनी टीम को बोला मैं हर जगह वक्त पे पहुँचूंगा और इस दुनिया को दिखाऊंगा कि मैं वक्त पर आता हूँ. दुनिया जो है वक्त पर नहीं चल रही. आई विल शो टू देम. मैं ना अब जाके हर जगह जल्दी पहुंचने लगा हूँ. कितनी जगहों पे ना लोग अरे सर आगे अरे यार कैसे आगे. एंड फिर काम वही 2.5-3 घंटे बाद लेट होता है. मैं कितने मौके दे चुका हूँ ह्यूमैनिटी को, लेकिन अब ह्यूमैनिटी अगर नहीं मान रहे, नाउ दे विल हैव टू सफर मी. आई ऑलवेज टेल पीपल इफ आई वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड आई विल बी लीथल. अब मैं ऑर्गेनाइज जब हो जाऊंगा ना, इतना डेंजरस हो जाएगा सबके लिए। अब आप देखो आप लोग, मैं एक्चुअली 5 मिनट बाहर वेट किया हूँ, क्योंकि जितेश अभी और इसकी सारी टीम थी, राहुल वगैरह सब रॉन्ग जगह खड़े थे, दीपक रेडी नहीं थे। मैं रेडी होके मैंने पूजा को बोला मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं हर जगह टाइम पे पहुँचूंगा मैं।
Shahrukh, is that your New Year resolution of sorts?
ये लाइफ का रेजोल्यूशन है, न्यू ईयर का नहीं है। तुम लोग अब जो है ना डर के रहना मुझसे, अभी सबको मालूम पड़ेगा। तुम लोग लेट आओगे हर जगह पे, मैं टाइम पे आऊँगा, इंटरव्यू खत्म करके चला जाऊँगा और तुम्हारे सवाल नहीं लूँगा क्योंकि तुम वहाँ पर होगे नहीं टाइम पे। देखना।
We have time for just one last question.
Hello. Hi, Shahrukh. So Murtaza here from Bollywood Bubble. So my question is, during the time of your birthday, you had said that Anand Rai sir's first look and the poster will be out very soon, but it's like more than 1.5 years. We haven't seen the first poster yet. When should we expect it?
यही मैं बता रहा हूँ, यही लोग हैं जो टाइम पे नहीं है। मैंने प्रोफेशनली टाइम पे जाके फोटो खिंचा ली थी पोस्टर की, मैं सब कर चुका हूँ उसका। ये जो हैं सब टाडी हैं, ये सब गलत हैं और ये वक्त लगा रहे हैं। तो मैं इनके बारे में कुछ नहीं, कितने लोगों को संभालूं, थक गया हूँ मैं, तंग आ चुका हूँ मैं। सो मैं नहीं, हो जाएगा यार अभी थोड़े दिन में। आई थिंक यू नो ये जो फिल्म है ना बड़ी यार, इट्स अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फिल्म। सो द फर्स्ट इमेजरी वी वांट, ऑल्सो अब आप सब लोग बैठे हैं तो मैं बता ही दूँ, यू नो इफ अ पर्सन इज प्लेइंग समवन वर्टिकली चैलेंज्ड, और स्पेशली वर्टिकली चैलेंज्ड लाइक दिस, फॉर अ पर्सन हु इज अ मूवी स्टार who's been known for, you know, a little more romantic roles, so there is always going to be ifs and buts about, hey, will we be accepted, will it not be? There are two things about this film I'd like to say, and I'm very proud of it. It is the most advanced visual effects film made in the world. It's not just India, and I'm being honest about it, not because my company has done it. That's why it's taking a little longer than we also thought. We prepared it for 2 years, but we're giving it the best shot possible because हर बार ऐसी फिल्म नहीं बनती. Obviously because it is so visually heavy, effects heavy, so वक्त भी लगता है, money is also being spent. We want to be very exact about everything. अभी हमने कल एक फोटो डाल दिया इसका, and half the people said, अरे यार, and it's only because we have not worked hard on it, because फिल्म में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सब कुछ. So I think we are a little not nervous, we are a little wary that we should put the best foot forward. तो पिक्चर का टाइटल भी रेडी है, उसकी टैग लाइन भी रेडी है, उसका इमेज भी रेडी है एक्चुअली, and as I speak I've seen it also and it's looking quite nice. I think few days we just want to give it finishing touches, and Anand sir most certainly will, he's been very anxious to do it, but I think our team has been saying, sir, this will be the first look for a very special looking film even for me as a character, so let's not get someone, आजकल लोग तो इतने sensitive और कभी-कभी इतने नेगेटिव होते हैं तो डर लगता है कि भाई आइडिया बेकार लग रहा है ऐसा. So we worked so hard, so we just wanted to put our best foot forward. So you know, I think inshallah in a few more days we'll do it. Yeah. For being here everybody. देखो दोनों काम कर लिए मैंने. No, God bless him. I wanted to go down to the farm, but my children are here. So I just sent him a message कि यार मैं 2-4 दिन नहीं आता, जब तू वापस आएगा then we'll celebrate his birthday. His birthday can be celebrated for months, so we'll celebrate once he's back.
स्पेशल गिफ्ट
किस सब कुछ तेरे को ही बता दूंगा. Thank you very much, and thank you Filmfare, and sorry darling, I don't know your name.
Nisha.
Thank you Nisha for hosting. Thank you all of you for waiting. Thank you Deepak, and thank you Jitesh. Once again, I think the GF Filmfare hopefully जिस खुशी से शुरू हुआ है वैसा ही हम अच्छी तरह से आपके सामने प्रेजेंट करेंगे. And I don't know, the list of performers and all will come out.
We didn't want to take.
छुपे में टेबल के दिखा नहीं रहे हम तुमको.
But today we wanted it to just be about Filmfare and Shahrukh. We'll announce the other performers to you very, very shortly. Thank you. Maybe in a couple of days from now you'll read about it. Thanks.